So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this effect using the Morph tool. So we've got a text box that's lit up in one color, moves over to reveal the next bit of text. And oops, sorry, I actually did that too quickly. And then click again and it moves over to generate that, to highlight that text. So the way that we do this, I'm going to start, I'm just going to leave one blank slide there just so you can see it, but I'm going to insert a text box. Let's make the font white so we can see it. And in fact, let's make this the heading. I'm just going to insert a second text box just so the heading and the main text will be like this. Okay, I'm using something called lorem ipsum, which is text that looks like standard text, but actually is meaningless. So that will do like that. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to group these together. So I hold Control, sorry, I hold Shift, click that one. That's now combined them together. And I'm going to right click, Group. Now that's one shape. Okay, so this is going to be my heading 1. Now what I do is I lay my last slide out as I want it to be. So let's do that and that. Okay, so now I've got what my last slide will look like. Okay. That one is not in line. Let's just line that up a bit better. There we go. Okay. Then we're going to insert our colored box that's going to move across the screen. Again, you go with any shape you want. I'm going to go with this one. And we're going to actually put it over the last one first. Because I'm in shape format, I can just say send backwards. So send it all the way to the back. Okay, so this is my third heading. Then what we do, we are going to copy this slide 3 times. Okay, and what we want on the second slide, second last slide, move the box over. You can change the color if you want to, shape format, shape fill, say purple. Okay, this font has to all go to black. So I'm just going to select the whole thing, home font. So it needs to fit in with whatever your background is, it needs to fit in. And then we're going to go back up to our first slide. In fact, sorry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this slide and then paste it in again. And in the first slide, oops, tip box. Pop it over there. Change the color if you want to. Okay, make the font on this. If you want to select the whole thing, click the outside box line there. Change the font to black to fit in with your background. Now, at this moment in time, it would look like this. So it just literally clicks between them. What we want to do though is we want to use the Morph tool. So click on here. So click the first one, sorry, hold Shift, click the last one, and it selects those 3. Transitions, Morph. Now, if I go back to here, I'm going to click the space bar. And what we'll do is it will slide on over to the next one. Same again. It will move over. It just gives it quite a cool sort of a bit more of a modern effect. And of course, you could have put pictures up the top here. And yeah, have a little play around with the Morph tool.